Hey everybody, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com here for the break portion of the 2012 Bowman Chrome Baseball Box Break. This is the free break for purchases over the weekend of the 17th to the 18th of November, so this past weekend. Also have another special going on this weekend, so look for that. Biggest one that we've ever had here at BoxBreakings.com. Your sheet on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams owned to least teams owned, so just reordered or rearranged the output of the randomization. It is now 10:21 p.m. East Coast time, November 24th. And your box of 2012 Bowman Chrome Baseball. So let's bust into this thing and see who's going to take home the auto out of today's box. So good luck. And empty box. And we are off. Here we go. First pack up. We have Salvador Perez, followed by a blue Wilson Palacios, numbered to 250. Keys, and Mike O'Neill. Next set of cards, Linscomb, Refractor, Leachman, Stafford, and Bumgarner. Konerko. And there it is. Third pack in, Jake Marsnick for the Toronto Blue Jays with the Chrome Auto. Bryce and Dozier. Blue Jays, Jason B. Michael Bourne, followed by an Ariel Pena Futures game card. Buechel and Mateo. Or Buchel, I don't know how to say that guy's last name. Laurie, Barnes, Alsop, and Benson. Worley, Refractor, Tovar, Lake, Sanchez. Longoria, Santana, Early, Helton, and Beckett. Futures game, Dylan and Adam Jones, or franchise all-stars, I mean. Candias, and Eckerl, and these names, I tell you. Eckerly, some of them were tough to pronounce. Darvish, and Sabathia. Dixon, and Pevney. I wonder if there's multiple autos in any of these packs. I don't know if Chrome does that. Valverde, Solorzano, Lafreniere, and Wainwright. Actually, I take that back. I do believe you get a second auto in every third box. Bautista and Gose, Chalice, Hoffman, and Montero. Halliday Purple, 199. Alonso, Alberto, and Montero. Scherzer, Gonzalez, Refractor, Siemens, and Gallic. That was kind of difficult. Tom Malone, followed by a gold D. Gordon, number to 50, number 43 of 50. Nice little hit. McGee and Camarena, something like that. Concepcion, Freitas, Hellweg, and Rollins. There's like about 3 packs left. Pacheco, Williams, Hawkins, Felix Hernandez. 2 packs. Moustakis, Aroldis Chapman, Legends in the Making. Nice little card there. Whittles, and Morbin. Last pack. Could it be? Could it be another auto? Bryce Harper. Nice top card there. Monaroa, Scott, and Pineda. So there is your free box of Bowman Chrome. Up next will be the free box of Topps Topps Chrome for football. So stay tuned if you're on that one. And we'll see you guys back here in a couple minutes. You guys take care.